Welcome to our tutorial on how to log in to Bath&Body Works online. Whether you are a returning customer or a first-time visitor, logging in allows you to access your account, view your order history, and enjoy exclusive benefits. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Bath&Body Works website. So in order to do that, I prefer Google Chrome, so let's type into that. You can also do this by typing bathandbodyworks.com into the address bar. Hit enter. Let's tap down to allow. So once the website loads, on the sign-in page, let's tap. You can now select your location. Let's select United States. So in order to do this, you'll see two empty fields, one for your email address and other for your password. Enter your email address associated with your Bath&Body Works account in the first field. And after that, let's type in your password in the second field. And after you've entered your credentials, click on the sign in button below the password field to log into your account. And in case you have forgotten your password, you can simply type into this forgot password option right here. And like that, you'll be successfully logged into your Bath&Body Works account. Now you can explore various options such as checking your order history, updating your personal information, managing your preferences, and accessing exclusive offers. And that's how you log into Bath&Body Works online. We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.